Today our focus is on equivalent ratios, looking to see if two different ratios are equivalent or equal. So that's what an equivalent ratio is, are two ratios that are equal to each other. So we're going to determine if these ratios that we're going to make are equal to each other. I can get 10 pictures printed on Shutterfly for $2 or 30 pictures printed at Walgreens for $6. We want to see if those are going to be equal. So I set it up. $2 for 10 pictures, is that equal to $6 for 30 pictures? Make sure the labels are the same, dollars on top and pictures on the bottom. One way we can figure it out is by finding our factor to get from 2 to 6. 2 times 3 makes 6. If that's the same thing I do on the bottom, times 3, then it makes these ratios equivalent. Since 10 times 3 is 30, then yes, they are equivalent. Another way we could solve the same problem is by finding the unit rates. $2 for 10 pictures. That's going to be 2 divided by 10. 20 cents per picture. I'm going to do the same thing. $6 for 30 pictures. And that gives me the same amount, 20 cents per picture. Those are two different ways to solve an equivalent ratio. Let's look at the next one. James drives 200 miles in 5 hours, and Jessica drives 450 miles in 9 hours. I'll solve the first way. 200 miles, 5 hours, 450 miles, in 9 hours. We look to find the one that we find a math fact to, but here I can't seem to find anything I would multiply 5 by to get 9. So what I want to do is find the unit rate. So 200 miles over 5 hours equals 200 divided by 5, 40 miles per hour, and 450 miles over 9 hours equals 50 miles an hour. So the answer to this one is no, they are not equivalent. Those are two different ways you can use to find out if two ratios are equivalent.